friends, in chapter number 2 solutions, our lecture number 7, topic number 2.5, ideal and non-ideal solutions. This is a very important and may be asked in a distinguish between ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Now, we discussed regarding these ideal solutions. Just to remind, in 11th standard you learn this type of ideal gas or non-ideal gas, and that you learn in very well in a chapter number 5 very well. What is meaning of ideal gas? They followed, we can say that gas equation, and from that you know these certain terms. Same way here solutions is there, which is in terms of concentrations. Remember, according to these ideal solutions, those solutions which obeys Raoult's laws over the entire range of concentration and temperature, they are known as ideal solutions. Remember this definition. What is Raoult's law? You know. Once again we repeat it. Don't bother about that. And Raoult's law, this mathematical form is, suppose we consider component A, then PA is equal to P0A into chi A, and PB is equal to P0B into chi B, when we consider B component is there. Here in ideal solution, remember, what is the meaning of solution? Solute plus solvent, it gives solution. So in binary solution, two component is present, A and B. So here delta V mix is equal to 0 and delta H mix is equal to 0. So here I write it, solute plus solvent, it gives solution. So here suppose we consider solute as A and solvent as a B. So here you got A and B due to this formation of A and B. Suppose here AA interaction and BB interaction, it gives AB interaction. It's depend on force of intermolecular attraction force. You already learned in the standard, and force of interaction. That means what? This AA and BB bond they break and AB bond is formed. Due to that, we can say that interaction between AA bond and BB bond. Suppose we can say that 20 joule for AA bond and BB bond, it gives 30 joule. So making of this particular AB, it gives 50 joule. And you know that if bond is breaking, it is endothermic reaction, and bond is making, it is considered as exothermic reaction. During this, we can say that in endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed, but in exothermic reaction, heat is evolved. But in ideal solution, this type of situation is not obtained. That means there is no any heat absorbed or evolved. During this, we can say that volume is also not changed. That means V final minus V initial is equal to 0. So whatever the volume of A and B is there, it is the volume of AB. Suppose we consider solute as 20 ml and solvent as we can say 20 ml. So here you got 40 ml. So 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. So there is no any volume change. So Vf minus Vi is equal to 0. But just you see, this type of ideal solution rarely seen in this type of ideal solution. And example is very simple. Example is normal hexane plus normal heptane, bromoethane plus chloroethane, benzene plus toluene, methanol plus ethanol, C2H4Cl2 plus C2H4Br2, in which main hint is this: when hexane and heptane is there, only increasing number carbon, only one carbon. Here bromoethane and chloroethane, bromo and chloro, secondary atomic size also there. Benzene plus toluene, so here benzene, in benzene hydrogen is replaced by CH3. So this example is suitable for ideal solutions. Now we switch on towards non-ideal solution, which is a very important topic, which whatever the solution is there, which do not follow Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration and temperature. So here, suppose we measure certain P total does not equal to P0A x chi A plus P0B chi B, and that is P total is measured, that is observed, and that is obtained from Raoult's law. So PA does not equal to P0A chi A and PB does not equal to P0B chi B. That means what? Here vapor pressure may be higher or vapor pressure may be lower. So due to this, we can say that delta V mix it, if we mix, that is does not equal to 0, and delta H mix does not equal to 0. That means there is a not 0 not obtained. So force of attraction between AA interaction or BB interaction, it is not equal to AB interaction, and that's why we can say that there is certain deviation takes place, which is shown at here in this higher vapor pressure. So PA greater than P0A chi A, PB greater than P0B chi B. Consider this. So here positive deviation takes place. That means what? In a solution, we can say that vapor pressure PA is more, PB is more. So here it gives positive deviation, and lower vapor pressure PA less than P0A chi A and PB less than P0B chi B. It's shown negative deviation from Raoult's law. And now you have to learn about positive deviation and negative deviation with their example. Okay, now lecture number 7 continue. Positive deviation from Raoult's law according to non-ideal solution. Remember, this is a topic regarding non-ideal solution. So here, first point is this: if P total greater than P0A chi A plus P0B chi B, then we can say that PA also greater than P0A chi A, PB greater than P0B chi B. Here positive deviation, that's why vapor pressure is more. Remember this one, greater than means positive. So this term is very easy to remember. And according to that, they are not equal, but they are greater than. So here force of attraction is, now understand here, suppose we consider solute plus solvent, and according to that A plus B it gives AB, but AA interaction and BB interaction is less interaction. At a time we can say that due to this less interaction they are stronger, and due to that this AB bond become weaker, and that's why we can say that AB not form very easily. So here delta V mixing greater than 0. When positive deviation is there, delta V mixing greater than 0. Delta H mixing also greater than 0, and that's why it's an endothermic reaction. And once again is explained on the basis of thermodynamics. Heat absorbed during the breaking of AA, or we can say that AA or an BB bond at a time greater than heat released in form of AB. This is a very important, and that's why here endothermic reaction takes place. This term is very important. In positive deviation always greater than, remember. Another term, you know this graph, it is a graph of Raoult's law. Simple, if you can say that on the basis of vapor pressure against mole fraction of A component and B component, if we see this straight line, white colored chalk sticks and dashed line, it indicates that they are followed Raoult's law. But here you see, deviation is there. That means vapor pressure is increases according to this one. And that's why here PB is also increases, same way PA is also increases. So here, this is the best example regarding this. Positive deviation shows positive, we can say that, whatever the curve. And here you see positive curve. Once again here you see positive curve. And due to that, here example is suitable that water molecule which containing hydrogen bond in intermolecular hydrogen bond plus C6H6, they containing, this is known as van der Waals force. This is known as van der Waals force. So force of attraction is decreased because we add van der Waals force containing compound, and that's why this creating positive deviation. Here H2O plus C6H5CH3, that means water molecule and toluene. Third one is ethanol and acetone. Fourth one is chlorobenzene and benzene. Fifth one is, this is the best example, carbon disulfide and acetone. Sixth one is water and ethanol. So here one containing hydrogen bond, another containing van der Waals force attraction containing bond, and that's why force of attraction is decreases. That's why they show positive deviation. Remember, these examples are very important in your MCQ questions. So you remember by this way. One is containing hydrogen bond, another is containing van der Waals force of attraction, and due to that force of attraction is decreases. And according to that, this positive deviation from Raoult's law is completed. Now we switch on towards negative deviation from Raoult's law. Here you see, here AA interaction and BB interaction is more. So here more interaction takes place. Due to that, P total less than P0A chi A plus P0B chi B, and that's why PA less than P0A chi A and PB less than P0B chi B. You understand? Negative means always less than. Always we can say that decreases. So here force of attraction According to this, AA and BB interaction is weaker, and that's why we can say that AB whatever interaction is become stronger. And due to that, weaker interaction it is what? They break very easily, and that's why AB bond becomes stronger. So here, delta V mix less than 0, delta H mix less than 0. Negative means less than 0, less than 0. Remember this one. Fourth one is very important. Heat released during AB formation is greater than heat absorbed by AA or and BB interaction when they are break. And that's why we can say that here exothermic reaction takes place. Okay. Now this example is suitable in according to Raoult's law that this P total and this PB and this PA dotted line is there, what is straight line is there. It is according to Raoult's law. But when deviation takes place at that time, just you see this curve is decreases, just you see decreases from the line, and that's why we can say that negative deviation takes place. And during this, whatever the curve is there, it decreases, and that is we can say that negative deviation according to or say from Raoult's law. Example is first is chloroform plus acetone. Remember what is formula of chloroform? CnCl3, and what is formula of acetone? CS3COCS3. If you remember very well, then here van der Waals force and van der Waals force is there, both containing van der Waals force. So here this chlorine, they accept or say due to we can say the inductive effect, they just enhancing electrons on chlorine sides, and hydrogen also we can enhance the carbon side. So here hydrogen become positive charge, in acetal oxygen become negative charge. Due to that, you know this, between oxygen, hydrogen and carbon hydrogen bond is formed. So hydrogen bond forming negative deviation from Raoult's law. So this example is suitable which is given in your textbook. Another, force of attraction is increases. Remember, in we can say that positive deviation force of attraction is decreases, but here force of attraction is increases. Phenol plus aniline. Phenol containing C6H5OH and aniline containing C6H5NH2. Due to that, oxygen or nitrogen containing any compound is there. What is formed? Van der Waals force, whatever the hydrogen bond is formed, and due to that, we can say that hydrogen bond easily formed. And third example is chloroform plus diethyl ether. This is the best example. Chloroform van der Waals force, and here also van der Waals force. Due to that, they form hydrogen bond, and hydrogen bond is formed, and that gives negative deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, now all of you listen very carefully. This ideal solution and non-ideal solution, you just should read it from the textbook very carefully, and you understood all those particular terms. Here I explain on the basis of certain, we can say the clues. Make a screenshot and write down, because this question is important in distinguish between ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Maybe this question asked just like this way. So this point, if you remember, if you write certain points, then you also got marks. Okay, you covered your marks. So make a note. Knowledge High School students, please make your notes, and just you submit your notes in a particular website or particular, we can say, description box or comment box, which is given according to the instructions in your WhatsApp group. Another students also make a note and write it completely. Okay, and another, just you read it. This is a positive deviation and negative deviation might be come in a distinguish also. Ideal solution and non-ideal solution, as well as we can say that positive deviation from Raoult's law and negative deviation from Raoult's law is also come. So concept must be clear in your side. 11th standard thermodynamics chapter, if you read properly, then this particular terms is clear. Endothermic reaction means what? Endothermic reaction means breaking of bond, and exothermic reaction means what? Making of bond. In endothermic reaction, what happened? Heat is absorbed. In exothermic reaction, what happened? Heat is released. So remember, this example is also, we can say that, important. In exothermic reaction, heat is released. So here, this is also important. Delta V mix greater than 0, delta H mix greater than 0. In positive, always remember, try to remember greater than. And here just you say less than. And once again here, if you change the order, then also less than. Okay? If you change the order, then less than. Do not confuse in heat released AB. If you write on this way, then it become, we can say that, same structure as a less than. Okay. Okay, thank you.